Magandang umaga mga chess dabarkads. Ngayon, alamin natin ang 5 helpful tips para sa pagpili ng tamang chess opening. Una, ang ating goal. Ano nga ba ang goal natin sa chess? Kung nais natin maging isang grandmaster, international master, high-class chess players, mas maganda na gamitin natin ang Ruy Lopez, Sicilian, French, or Caro-Kann. Madalas kasi itong gamitin sa mga high-class chess tournament. Kung ang chess ay isa lamang libangan para sa atin, pwede tayong pumili ng kahit na anong chess opening. Pangalawa, yung personality. Yung personality natin ay long-term siya. Mas malalim siya compare dun sa style of play. Dahil yung style of play, let's say may bagong mga lumabas na mga laro, tapos may bagong world chess champion, na-attract tayo sa kanilang style of playing. But later on, babalik tayo dun sa personality natin. Una, yung mga choleric. Yan yung mga confident, aggressive person. May apply natin yan sa chess. Yung mga takador. Tapos pangalawa, yung melancholy. In chess, mostly yan yung mga positional. Yung mga organized na tao, malalim din mag-isip, and creative. Pangatlo, yung sanguine. Sila yung mga funny, outgoing, optimistic. Gusto nila yung mga nakaka-enjoy na laro. Tapos yung huli, yung phlegmatic. Sila yung mga pessimistic. Ayaw nila yung mga magugulong laro. Gusto nila yung mga simple lang, short variation. Saka yung mostly passive, defensive players. Nakita natin na mostly ang choleric, yung mga confident, sila yung bagay sa kanila yung Ruy Lopez, yung Sicilian, yung French, Caro-Kann, yung mga world chess champion openings. Yung melancholy, bagay sa kanila rin yung Ruy Lopez, Sicilian, French, Caro-Kann, then some safer chess opening. Kahit yung Perk, modern, sunod yung sanguine. Mostly sila yung nasa positional. Modern defense, Perk, Petrov, Caro-Kann, and center counter. Yung last, yung mga pessimistic. Gusto nila yung mga short variation. Saka sila yung mga ayaw gaano magbasa ng mga chess book. Gusto nila yung mga simpleng laro lang. Bagay sa kanila yung mga Latvian, Nimzovich, Owen defense, Bakers, and 2 knights defense. Pangatlo, yung resources. Unang-unang resources natin ay ang ating coach. Sila kasi yung nakakakita ng style ng ating paglalaro. Sila yung ating guide. Sometimes we are influenced by our coach. Sunod, yung time. Kung marami tayong free time para sa chess, mas pwede sa atin yung mga long lines and more variation na openings. Katulad ng nasa upper right. Sunod, yung books. Sa panahon ngayon, halos makaka-download ka ng lahat ng chess book. Pang-apat, yung performance. Sabi nga nila, experience is the best teacher. Makita natin if yung opening is applicable sa atin. dapat consistent tayo. Mostly gamitin natin yung opening na yan, kahit natatalo tayo sa laro, hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi sa ating bagay yung chess opening. Minsan, bagay sa atin yung opening, i-adjust lang natin yung mga variation. Maybe we need to solve chess puzzles or we need to allot more time to study. Pati makikita natin yung impact ng chess opening, long term siya. Wala naman chess player na in the short term naging grandmaster. Panglima at panghuli yung consistency in chess updates. Kailangan updated tayo sa mga chess novelties, chess variations na nilalabas sa mga chess website katulad ng ChessBase, Chess.com, Chess Games at iba pa. For example, nag-release si Anand before ng idea about Karukan 4 white. Then, naging popular yung ganung variation. Tapos, nag-release si Schandorf ng linya dun sa Karukan as black. Natabunan yung kay Anand. Tapos, nag-release na naman ng Karukan si Neji. Natabunan na naman yung kay Schandorf. Kaya kailangan natin na maging updated sa mga chess openings and variations. Huli yung reflection, yung sarili. Kung nababagay ba yung opening para sa atin. Ating i-elaborate ang mga chess openings base dito sa diagram. Yung Roy Lopez, ginagamit siya sa mga high-class chess tournaments. Then complex siya, 50-50. Then mostly aggressive. May Roy Lopez din naman na passive, kaso konti lang. Hanggang dito siya sa risky. Katulad din ng Sicilian, complex siya, 50-50. Sa mga high-class tournament, aggressive, ginagamit din ng mga world chess champion. Katulad ng French defense, high class, aggressive, complex, 50-50, and choleric. Karukan, yan yung favorite ni Karpov, ginagamit niya madalas kahit sa World Chess Championship. Itong apat ang pinaka-popular na chess opening kung gusto talaga natin maging champion, maging title chess players. Yung modern defense, Scandinavian, Perk, Alekhine, yan yung mga mostly positional. May aggressive part din, then meron din mga complex, 50-50. But mostly safer siya. Tapos ang nababagay sa kanila yung mga hindi siya totally risk taker. Yung gusto lang medyo safe. Tapos yung meron din naman mga passive katulad ng Latvian Gambit, Nimzowitsch defense, Owen at Baker's defense. Nakita natin dito sa line, meron mga aggressive variation. Pero risky siya sa mga high class chess players. Dahil even hindi sila nakapagbasa ng mga libro na yan, if apply nila yung logic or chess principle, mabilis nila ma-overcome yung opening. Then, later on, nagiging passive yung position. But meron mga chess player na gusto nila yung passive. Yun yung mga phlegmatic. Yung parang kailangan mo i-push yung tao para ma-attain nila yung success. Katulad din yun sa chess. Ngayon, ating siyasatin ang mga victorious game bawat opening na nakalagay dito sa diagram. Unahin natin ang Owen defense. E4, B6, D4, Bishop B7, bishop d3, knight f6, queen e2, knight c6, c3, e5, knight f3. Bali yung bishop sa b7 passive siya, kaya yung Owen nakalagay siya dun sa passive, pero meron din namang variation na aggressive yung Owen. d6, castle, knight d7, a4, bishop e7, d5, knight b8. Tingnan mo yung mga piyesa ng itim. Bumalik siya, passive yung bishop, pero may mga chess player na gusto yung ganitong position kaysa yung napaka-complex na kailangan mong mag-analyze ng gusto. a5, b takes a5, bishop e3, c6, attacking the center, c4, binding, knight a6, knight bd2, knight c5, rook a3, f5, inaatake niya yung foundation ng central pawn, e takes f5, castle, knight e4, knight takes e4, bishop takes e4, c takes d5, c takes d5. Bali yung pawn na to become target, pati yung f5 pawn. Knight f6, attacking the bishop at e4, bishop b1, knight takes d5. After passive, now the black control the center. This is one of the best game in that opening. Rook d1, king h8, safety first from a2 to g8 diagonal, bishop d2, bishop f6, rook b3, bishop c6, rook c1, rook c8, h4, a4. Good move, attacking the rook at b3 and saving the pawn. Rook a3, queen b6, attacking the b2 pawn. At this point, black is better. This was played between Shabalov and Blatny at New York 2004, and black won. Sunod yung Nimzovich. e4, knight c6, knight f3, d6, d4, knight f6, knight c3, bishop b4. Combative and aggressive, bishop b4. Black idea is to pin the knight and start to counterattack the d4. d5, knight b8, bishop e2, g6, knight d4, bishop takes e2, queen takes e2, c6, counter-attacking the center. Bishop g5, bishop g7, castle, castle, f4, queen b6, rook e1, rook c8, knight f3, knight a6, e5. Yung puti nag-start na matake sa center. D takes e5, d6, e takes f4, good move. d7, rook f8, queen takes e7, knight d5, Queen A3. Di pwedeng capturein ng puti ang kabayo dahil may Queen B2. Knight B4, Knight takes D5, Knight takes D5, D8 Queen, Rook A takes D8, Bishop takes D8, Rook takes D8. Sa position na to, equal lang siya pero napakalakas ng knight sa D5. Strong knight at the center. Saka yung bishop. Queen B3, Queen C7, Rook D3, B5. Black is better. Nilaro ito ni Sokolov Torre sa USSR versus World 1984. Sunod yung A6. Very provoking. Naging popular ito noong gamitin ito ni Miles laban kay Karpov sa USSR 1980. Nanalo si Miles. D4, B5, Knight F3, Bishop B7, Bishop D3, Knight F6, Queen E2, E6, A4, C5, D takes C5, Bishop takes C5, Knight D2, B4, E5, Knight D5, Knight E4, Bishop E7, Castle, Knight C6, Bishop D2, Queen C7, C4, B takes C3, Knight takes C3, Knight takes C3, Bishop takes C3, Knight B4, Bishop takes B4, Bishop takes B4, Rook A C1, Queen B6, Bishop E4, Castle, Knight G5, H6, Bishop H7, Dovius, King H8, Bishop B1, Bishop E7, Knight E4, Rook A C8, Queen D3, Rook takes C1, Rook takes C1, Queen takes B2. Black is better. Nilaro ito nila Karpov at Miles sa USSR Chess Team Tournament noong 1980. At nanalo rito si Miles laban kay Karpov. Sunod yung Knight F6. Very combative chess opening. E5, Knight D5, D4, D6, C4, Knight B6, F4, D takes E5, F takes E5. Black gives up the center. But later on, ito yung mga target ng black, yung center. Overextended. Knight C6, Bishop E3, Bishop F5, Knight C3, E6, Knight F3, Bishop E7, D5, Knight B4, Knight D4, Bishop G6, A3, C5, Knight takes E6, F takes E6, A takes B4, C takes B4, Knight A4, Knight D7, Queen D4, Queen A5, D6, Bishop D8, C5, B5, B3, Castle, Knight B6, trapping the Queen, Queen takes A1, check. Queen takes A1, A takes B6, Queen B2. Pangit pag capturing ng white yung rook dahil may bishop H4 check. Discover. Knight takes E5, C takes B6, bishop H4 check, King D1, Knight G4. Inaatake niya yung bishop, saka may threat sa Knight F2, bishop F6, Rook A2 or A1 check, Rook FD8 followed by capturing the pawn at D6. Nilaro ito nila Koplechik at Gibbs List sa USSR Chess Team Tournament noong 1972 at nanalo si Lipsis itim at tinaguro yung best game sa Chess in Format 13. Sunod yung G6. Ito yung bagong way sa chess opening. D4, bishop G7, knight C3, D6, bishop E3, A6, F4, B5, knight F3, knight D7, E5, bishop B7, bishop D3, C5, bishop E4, bishop takes E4, knight takes E4, knight H6, D takes C5, D takes E5. Naging collapse na yung center ng puti. C6, knight F6, queen takes D8 check, rook takes D8, knight takes F6 check, E takes F6, C7, rook C8, bishop B6, king D7, bishop A5, knight F5, castle, king C6, rook D8, knight D6. The idea is to attack the bishop that protect the pawn at C7. F takes E5, F takes E5, rook D1, knight C4, bishop C3, rook takes C7. Sa position na to, lamang yung itim ng isang pawn. At nilaro ito nila Wei Yi at Carlsen sa Bilbao 2016 at nanalo si Carlsen. Sunod, center counter D5. He takes D5, queen takes D5, knight C3, queen D6, D4, knight F6, bishop C4, A6, knight F3, bishop G4, H3, bishop H5, G4, bishop G6, knight E5, grabbing the center, planning to play bishop B4, knight C6, knight takes G6, H takes G6, bishop E3, E5, D5, knight A5, queen E2, protecting the bishop at C4. Knight takes C4, queen takes C4, B4. Sa position na to, lamang yung itim dahil makakapture niya yung either pawn sa D5 or pawn sa G4 dahil itong pawn nakapin siya sa rook. Ito yung one na memorable games para sa akin dahil itong opening na to ginagamit ko to sa mga tournament. Nilaro ito nila Kamsky at Tibiakov sa Weekend C 2016 at nanalo si Tibiakov, color black. Sunod yung D6, D4, knight F6, knight C3, then E5. This is the modern Philidor. D takes E5, d takes e5, queen takes d8, king takes d8. Itong opening na to, nakalagay siya sa safer, passive, saka positional. Hindi siya complex dahil wala na yung queen sa board. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-analyze pa ng mga long lines and force variation. Knight f3, bishop d6, bishop g5, bishop e6, castle, knight bd7, knight b5, king e7, knight takes d6, c takes d6, bishop b5, rook d8, knight d2, h6, bishop h4, g5, bishop g3, a6, bishop takes d7, rook takes d7, f3, rook c8 in the open file, king b1, knight h5, knight f1, f5, e takes f5, bishop takes f5, yung bishop saka yung rook naka-point siya sa c2. Tapos yung isang rook pupunta pa siya sa c5 para ma-increase yung pressure sa c2. Knight e3, bishop g6, rook d2, king e6, b3, b5, controlling the c4, then planning to play d5, king b2, d5, rook e1, knight takes g3, h takes g3, h5, c3, d4, c takes d4, rook takes d4, rook takes d4, e takes d4. Sa position na to, lamang ang itim. At nilaro ito nila Vallejo Pons at Carlsen sa Grand Slam 2012. At nanalo si Carlsen bilang itim. Sunod yung perk. Nakalagay siya sa passive, some aggressive, and safer opening. Bishop e3, bishop g7, queen d2, c6, bishop h6, bishop takes h6, queen takes h6, queen a5, bishop d3, c5, knight ge2, knight c6, d5, knight e5, bishop b5 check, king d1, good move, knight g3, bad move, c4, trapping the bishop, h3. Ang position na to ay nilaro nila Caruana at Ivanchuk sa Biel 2009 at nanalo si Ivanchuk bilang itim. g5, excellent move. Bali ang idea, rook g8, tatrapin yung queen, saka a6, tatrapin din yung bishop. Queen takes g5, a6, f4, knight g6. The idea is h6, trapping the queen. f5, knight e5, black is winning. Sunod yung Karukan. Karukan, bali ito yung main weapon ni Karpov. d4, d5, knight c3, d takes e4, knight takes e4, bishop f5, knight g3, bishop g6, knight f3, knight d7, h4, h6, h5, bishop g7, bishop d3, bishop takes d3, queen takes d3, e6, bishop f4, queen a5 check, bishop d2, bishop b4, c3, bishop e7, c4, queen c7, castle, knight gf6, king b1, castle, rook he1, a5. Start to counterattack at queen side. Yung karukan, bali ito isa sa mga positional and some lines are aggressive. Bishop c1, rook d8, queen c2, a4, knight e5, knight takes e5, d takes e5, rook takes d1, queen takes d1, knight d7, f4, knight c5, knight e4, rook d8, queen c2, knight takes e4, rook takes e4, queen b6. Good move. Controlling the diagonal and moving to g1, pinning the bishop. Queen takes a4, queen g1. Sa position na to, lamang na yung itim. At nilaro ito nila Leco and Ivanchuk sa Linares 2008 and nag-receive ng award. At nanalo si Ivanchuk as black. Sunod yung French. Very aggressive. e6, d4, d5, knight c3, bishop b4, e5, c5, a3, bishop takes c3 check, b takes c3, knight e7, queen g4, queen c7, queen takes g7, rook g8, queen takes h7, c takes d4, knight e2, knight bc6, f4, d takes c3, queen takes d3, d4, interesting, knight g3, bishop d7, bishop e2, castle, castle, knight f5, knight e4, knight ec7, knight f6, rook g6, knight takes d7, rook takes d7, bishop f6, knight d5, rook b1, king b8, bishop e4, rook g8, a4, activating the dark bishop and bishop d6 and capturing the knight at f5, queen c6, a5, queen a4, a6, b6, rook d3, knight de3, rook a3, queen b4, rook b3, queen a4, rook a3, queen b4, rook b3, queen e7. So avoid the repetition, the draw. Bishop takes e3, d takes e3. Black starts the initiative. Queen takes c3, e2, rook e1, rook d1, bishop takes f5, rook c8. Good move. Queen g3, queen c5. Black is better. Nilaro ito nila Almasi at So sa Capablanca noong 2014 at nanalo si So bilang itim. Sunod yung e5. Very aggressive opening and very complex. Knight f3, f5. This one of the aggressive but risky opening. Knight takes e5, queen f6, d4, d6, knight c4, f takes e4, knight c3, queen g6, the main move, knight e3, knight f6, bishop c4, c6, d5, bishop e7, a4, knight bd7, a5, knight e5, bishop e2, castle, castle, bishop d7, king h1, king h8, knight c4, knight f, g4, queen e1, rook f7, h3, knight f6, knight takes e5, d takes e5, bishop c4, rook f, f8, bishop e3, knight h5, king h2, bishop d6, bishop d3, knight f4, bishop takes f4, bad move, e takes f4. Ang mga item, napaka-active ng dalawang bishop, tapos yung pawn sa center, saka yung isang rook pupunta pa sa e5. Lamang na lamang yung itim. Sunod yung Petrov, knight f6. Paborito ito ni Vladimir Kramnik. Knight takes e5, d6, knight f3, knight takes e4, d4, d5, bishop d3, bishop d6, castle, castle, c4, c6, rook e1, bishop f5, c5, bishop c7, knight c3, knight d7, good move. Bali pag kinain to ng kabayo, kainin ng pawn, kainin ng bishop, kainin ng bishop, kainin ng rook, tapos may knight takes c5, queen c2, rook e8, bishop e6, b4, knight f6, h3, queen d7. Bali plano kainin yung pawn sa h3, knight e2, bishop takes h3, good move, knight takes e5, bishop takes e5, d takes e5, rook takes e5. Sa position na to, lamang yung itim. At nilaro ito nila Naidish at Kramnik sa Dortmund 2009. At ito ang pinaka best game sa chess in format 106. Sunod yung response sa bishop c4, knight f6, the two knights, knight g5, d5, c takes d5, knight a5, bishop b5 check, c6, d takes c6, b takes c6, bishop d3, bishop e7, castle, h6, knight e4, knight d5, knight g3, castle, bishop f5, bishop a6, d6, c5, bishop e4, rook c8, knight f5, knight f6, knight c3, rook e8, queen f3, bishop f8, b3, knight takes e4, knight takes e4, rook e6, bishop e3, bishop b7, napaka-active ng bishop sa diagonal, queen g3, king h7, f4, c4, f takes e5, rook g6, queen h4, c takes d3, c takes d3, queen takes d3. Sa position na to, lamang yung itim. Bali napaka-active ng bishop dito sa diagonal, saka yung rook, saka bishop pair, saka yung black rook makaka-occupy siya sa second rank. Saka itong pawn na to, makaka-capture siya pagtira ng queen d5. Nilaro ito ni Kornisov at Inarkev sa Khanty-Mansiysk 2013 at naka-receive din ng award. Sunod yung Gokey piano, bali positional siya. Bishop c5, d3, knight f6, knight bd2, d6, c3, castle, bishop e6, bishop b3, bishop takes b3, queen takes b3, rook b8, knight c4, queen d7, bishop e3, b4, knight c2 d2, bishop takes e3, f takes e3, knight e7, knight h4, queen g4, knight f5, knight takes f5, rook takes f5, queen e2, queen c2, knight g4. Sa position na to, lamang yung itim. Maka-capture niya yung pawn, saka yung knight nasa maling square, nakapin sa queen. Nilaro ito ni Yudin at Carlsen sa Dubai 2014 at nanalo si Carlsen bilang itim. Sunod yung very popular Bishop b5, yung Roy Lopez. Very aggressive and complex chess opening. a6, bishop a4, knight f6, castle, b5, bishop b3, bishop c5, a4, rook b8, a takes b5, c3, d6, d4, bishop b6, bishop e3, castle, knight bd2, h6, h3, rook e8, queen c2, e takes d4, c takes d4, knight a5, bishop a2, bishop b7, pointing at e4 pawn, e5, knight d5, bishop b1, threatening to check at h7, g6, bishop takes h6, knight c6, e takes d6, queen takes d6, knight e4, queen b4, bishop a2, knight takes d4, knight f6 check. Black cannot capture because of queen takes g6, king h8, knight takes d4, knight takes f6, knight c6, queen h4, knight takes b8, rook e2, excellent move. Bali ang idea, queen g3 followed by checkmate at g2. Yung dalawang bishop, nakaturo siya sa white king. Nilaro ito nila Kamsky at Svidler sa World Cup 2011 at tinaguri ang best game of chess in format 112 at nanalo si Svidler bilang itim. At ang panghuli, yung very popular, very complex and very aggressive chess opening Sicilian. Ito yung tinagurian na chess opening of the world chess champions. Lahat ng world champion, bali ginamit itong opening na to. Knight f3, d6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4, knight f6, knight c3, a6, f3, e5, knight b3. Bali yung opening na to, ito yung pinakamaraming laro. Bishop e6, bishop e3, bishop e7, queen d2, castle, knight bd7, g4, b5, G5, B4, Knight E2, Knight E8, King B1, A5, Knight BC1, A4, F4, E takes F4, Bishop takes F4, Knight C5, Bishop G2, B3, C takes B3, A takes B3, A3, D5. Very complex. You need to calculate a lot of forcing move and attacking towards the king. Bali yan yung pinaka malalim at pinaka-agresibo at pinaka-complex na opening. Kailangan mo talaga magbasa, mag-solve ng puzzle kung lalaruin mo itong opening na to. Knight D4, Knight D6, E takes D5, Bishop G4, Rook E1, Queen D7, Queen B4, Bishop F5 check, King A1, Rook FB8. Excellent move. Queen takes C5, Knight C4, good move, D6, Rook takes A3, fatal. Queen takes A3, Knight takes A3, D takes E7, Knight C2 check, Knight takes C2, Queen A4 check, followed by B takes C2 checkmate, or if Knight A3, Queen takes A3 followed by B2 check, then A1 Queen checkmate. Nilaro ito nila Spiedler at Vallejo Pons sa Monte Carlo 2004 at ito ang best game sa chess and format. Nakita nyo naman lahat ng chess openings. Lahat yun yung mga victorious game for black. Even passive opening can win but less chance. Yung mga aggressive, complex, yun yung mas higher chance na manalo. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for other chess players. Thank you and have a nice day.